Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Did I get my second chance? Yes, I do. That is freaking sweet. No way. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Dude, I could do this all freaking day. Look at that thing. Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Luke. We are out here on a lake that I have not ice fished yet this year. I have ice fished it before. Last year it was. But this is going to be my first time ice fishing this lake this year. We're outside of Rochester, Minnesota. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm out here by myself. And folks, I'm gonna be honest, I just want to get some fish today. There's some crappie in here, there's perch in here, there's bluegill, there's bass, there's all kinds of goodies in here. Now I'll show you guys what I have here for gear. I'm gonna keep it fairly light. I got my one-man shack, a little flip over, got some minnows, going to the old cab here. Couple rods, drill, little milk crate with some goodies in it. Got the old Vexilar heater, and that is it, folks. We are out here. We're gonna try to make this happen. Hopefully we can do it. I got a good feeling about this. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been out here, but we're gonna give it all we got. We got a few hours to fish. Hopefully we can make it happen. And I apologize now if I sound a little nasally, folks. I am sick. That's right, I am unfortunately under the weather, but that is not stopping us from fishing. We're gonna do this. Let's freaking go. Nice group of people out here today. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Got a bunch of people up in that cove on the other side there. A couple people right here. We all got the same idea. Get the old Vexilar here, just see what we're working with. It looks like it's about 30 feet here. I'm gonna drop down a little pinhead minnow by clam, a wax one. Let's see what happens. Well, I had something. Followed me all the way up and then just disappeared. So that's a good sign at least. Maybe onto something. I think what I'm gonna do though, I got this hole right here, but behind me, basically never land. I mean, it's just, it goes on forever. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna fish this for a little bit. If nothing happens, we'll just keep on working our way back farther down the cove and see if that helps and see if we can find some fish. I would love to get some fish today. I tell you what, it's been a long week of being sick and laying in bed, and honestly just being out in the ice feels good too, but it would be really nice to get some fish out of here. No way. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, first fish of the day. Feels decent. Feels like a bluegill maybe. It is. Oh no, I just lost him. I was using someone else's hole. It's like it looks like a 6-inch hole. Not used to it, dang it. Oh, brutal. Brutal. That was about 20 feet of water. I saw a little mark and I decided, hey, you know what? I'll drop down and see, and shot right up for it. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Do I get my second chance? Yes, I do. That is freaking sweet. Feels like another gill. Yes, it is. And another. Oh. Well, would you looky. Came off at the hole, reached my hand down, grabbed him, and first fish of the day. Let's go. Still got a little piece of bait on that pinhead minnow. Drop back down there. Yes. Boys and girls, this feels good. After being sick for a week, man, this just feels so good. Just getting some fish, some nice freaking bluegills. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm freaking talking about. On that pinhead minnow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful gill. See you later, girl. Just out of here. They seem to be pretty aggressive, I will say. You know, when you actually do mark them, they seem to be disappearing and showing up, disappearing and showing up again. But they definitely seem to be aggressive. Once they know your bait is there, they're shooting up for it. I just moved to this new hole too. I was right behind me, and now I'm just really kind of moving in a circle, looking for holes that are already drilled, so I don't have to do any of the work. I can just, you know, put my transducer in the water and get to fishing. Got another one on me here. Oh, how did I miss that? How did I freaking miss that? He's on it, he's on it, he's on it. Yes! That's a nice little gill. Look at that. That is a beauty. Absolute freaking beauty. Get them right back in the water and then they will be on their way. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Yep, very light bite. Oh, got some weight on him. Whoa. This hole is a tiny, tiny hole. Oh, look at that, it's a bass. That is awesome. Look at that. On the freaking pinhead. Beautiful fish. Getting back in here. See, dude. Yep, yep, yep. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Come on now. Don't be afraid. Eat it, eat it, eat it. He's got it. He's got it. And I missed him. Somehow, I missed him. Let's see if we do it again here. Yep, yep, yep. I got one coming up. Are they all dinks, maybe? Maybe they're dinky bluegill or something. Okay, maybe I just need to give him a little more time, huh? Oh, it feels like a good fish too. Nice little bluegill, maybe? That is a nice little bluegill. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, beautiful. So let's gotta go. Here you go, bud. That was a freaking giant. Oh my gosh. You know it's a big fish when you just set the hook and you just feel a big dead weight on the end. Oh man, that's brutal. I don't wonder if they're just barely biting it. You know what I mean? If they're just kind of taking it, like they're hitting it, but I don't actually think they're hitting it. Now that I'm starting to kind of piece this together here. Oh, there's one. Probably not giant though. A pinhead minnow is just big enough, you know. Yeah, no. Not bad though. Not bad at all. We'll take it. Try sitting down and catching fish here. I see one down there. Let's see if we'll eat it. Let's do the old that's not bad at all. Maybe the sit-down trick is the way to do it. Look at that. Awesome. Let's go. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Okay, we're gonna let her go. And I got some more down there. Let's see if we can pick these guys up. I'm so tempted to go back to my tackle box and grab a smaller jig, but I really just, you know, it's such a grind today looking for these fish. I don't really want to take any chances, and if I'm marking fish now, you know, I might as well try to catch them versus going to get tied on and then potentially losing more fish. What's that old saying? You miss 100% of the shots you don't take? Something like that? And I feel like that would be what would happen. I'm taking away valuable time of fishing. That's another nice one. These are just gorgeous fish. Look super healthy. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep some fish today. I'm doing it. I'm gonna freaking do it. I'm gonna keep some. From here on out, any decent sized fish we catch, we are keeping it. I'm starting to get quite a few good marks here, and I might as well get myself a little fish fry. Come on, bud. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Yes. It's super interesting because this water is pretty deep. I'm in about 28 feet of water, but these fish are showing up about 25 feet or so, and they are freaking munching. Absolutely munching. They're shooting up multiple feet for it. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dude, I could do this all freaking day. All freaking day. That's a really nice fish. Look at that thing. Monster. Keep him too. That was awesome. Just watching him come up and freaking smoke it is just the best feeling ever. Another chunk. Another freaking chunk. This is just so much freaking fun. So much freaking fun. Another hefty one. Look at that thing. Go ahead, Pop. Good girl. Good girl. Well, here is the goody goods that we took home. Woo! Gonna be a good fish fry. I'm gonna go ahead and get these filleted up, get this part taken care of. You guys probably don't want to see this, and I will see you guys in the kitchen. Let's go! Looks pretty good. Slide that in here. Okay, turn this bad boy on, do air fry. We'll do 400 at 20 minutes, and we'll just check it periodically. Let's do that. There you go. 4 minutes left on the. Looks pretty good. Woo, woo, that's hot. It is very, very hot. We'll let it just go the rest of the 4 minutes here. We'll do the full 20 minutes and see what happens here. It looks a little dry, but I think it's just the seasoning just being air fried instead of being dropped in oil. It's just kind of melted or glued onto the fish, but looks good. Here's a little bit better shot. Looks pretty good. It just the texturing is just kind of different because I'm, you know, it's not dipped in oil, so. Ooh, it's tasty though. Ooh. Tell you what, that might be the new way I eat fish. Okay, not bad. First time air frying fish. Definitely gonna do a couple things different next time, but I mean, this is super good. Well, folks, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Got out to that lake, popped some holes, looked for other people's holes, and by golly, we were able to find some nice bluegill and quite a few. Folks, I'm not kidding you. Even when I went to pack up to leave, there was still unlimited marks on my Vexilar. I mean, it was unfreaking believable. Such a fun day on the water. It was just one of those days where you find that hole and you're just catching them left and right. I mean, it got to the point where I don't keep fish very often, folks. You guys who watch my channel, you know I don't really do catch and cooks very often. But it all worked out. We got ourselves some fish. We had ourselves a good time. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I appreciate the support. You guys are freaking awesome. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!